Matilda! Are you climbing the mountain?
There you go.
The snow too heavy. What you doing?
Help me.
Are you digging?
Yeah, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Reach for my hand. Take my hand. I got you.
I'm okay. No.
You're like a bear walker. There she's up.
Hey, Grandpa. Grandpa.
I can't fall anymore.
We wait.
Hey, are we happy in the snow? How happy are we?
No.
You
No.
ready? You want to go in the house? Say bye-bye.
So cold.
Do you rather go in?